badass collab featuring a court document relating to child pornography. The company today apologised, saying, "We strongly condemn child abuse. It was never our intent to include it in the narrative," with the fashion house now suing those behind the shoot.
This is scapegoating at best. At the end of the day, the client, in this case Balenciaga, sign off everything. It is their responsibility to check over things with a fine-tooth comb. It is their responsibility to be there on set, to look at what's being placed in.
And that's just the beginning. Already under fire for images of children with bondage-style teddies, and this ad featuring a book by an artist whose work includes paintings of small children in perverse situations.
Typically advertising, especially fashion advertising, is always a little bit edgy, but there is an edge and then there's a line, and they've gone beyond the line.
But the backlash has already begun.
$1,500 is a small price to pay if it means that I'm not supporting child.
Even Kim K, once Balenciaga's ride or die, is distancing herself. Kind of, saying she'll reevaluate her relationship with the brand depending on how they respond. But at least Kanye's still on side.
Don't be condemning Balenciaga and then going to strip clubs the next day. You get what I'm saying?
This has been a massive misstep on their behalf, and I think it will turn away a lot of their fans. But in the long term, they'll still be selling garments. They'll still have a good share price.
This is bonkers.
I mean, what sicko's putting a document like that in the background of anything? It's just so
Well, their argument is that it was like a prop from a movie or some other thing that was happening, and someone just got it and put it there. That's
so if for one of the instances...
I feel like if that was the only thing...
Yeah, there is a theme
I would
across
give
all
them...
of it.
Yeah, I would say that's believable. I mean, I know you've got to sign off and everything, but are you reading the print on a document that's left as a prop? But it's when you put it all together.
You've got a kid holding a bondage teddy.
And
I
they
mean,
designed the
just,
bondage teddies.
But
That wasn't
why
an
is it
accident.
it's just so weird. Like, I get there's weird, and then there's like, what's happening in that mind of people?
But you know what's funny? That even when you... So obviously there's a fox loose in the hen house at Balenciaga, possibly several foxes, because we know that they like to hang out together. And they've been breadcrumbing. That's what they do to leave signs of some sort of perversion. But when you look back at their campaigns that have become increasingly perverse, you look at the models trudging through the mud and all of that, that was kind of funny.
Yeah.
But now it's all like, it looks so...
So you think like the joke's on us? That
100%.
We've been playing along with it, and eventually it reaches a point where we're going, oh, God, what will we do?
And now we're running a full story on it, so they're getting all the advertising they want.
Well, do you think this is advertising?
Well, it's interesting. I mean, you see there that people have bought it cutting up their products, but how many of those are cutting up their products?
I don't understand that, by the way, because she's already paid for it. If she was in the shop and cutting it up, then yes.
Well, she'd be probably arrested then or something. But, like, you know, if you've spent that much money and you're going to cut up your bag, that's a big thing for you to do.
Yes, but what I'm saying is Balenciaga's already got the money.
Oh, yeah, they don't care.
No, they don't care.
Exactly.
They don't care.
I'm certainly ending my relationship with Balenciaga.
What was your next campaign going to be?
Yeah, what was it?
I'm not getting into that.
You're trudging through the mud.
The mud is the mud one. It's the mud one. I didn't know who Balenciaga was until today.